Hello students, I'm making this video so you guys can download the calculator that I've been talking to you about. The first step, go to your computer, go to Chrome, and then I want you guys to go here on the top, and we're gonna type this name, okay? SCICALC period IO, okay? So there's gonna be SCICALC see, and then period IO. Okay, enter. That is gonna take us to this menu or to this page. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go to Windows, tap it. You see? Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, I tapped it twice. I didn't notice that it's already down here. Okay, so you're gonna come down here and you're gonna choose only one because I did it twice. Okay, so there's my mouse right here. So you're gonna click on the little arrow and you're gonna say open, and let's see what it does now. Do you see right here? It's installing it. And it's open. So you can do here, you're gonna give you this, or you didn't answer it. Here you only click on close, and that's your calculator. And this calculator is gonna help you do fractions. For example, if you type 2, let me see, because you can also use the keys here. 2 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 3, which are two fractions, right? And you're gonna click on equals on the side. It's gonna give you your answer. It's gonna give you a fraction, okay? Many times in the problem that we have, we want a fraction as an answer, but you can also get a decimal. The way to get a decimal is you come to this little button that has an arrow, you click on it, and instead of exact, you're gonna type, or you're gonna click on approximate, and then you can go over here again to equals, and notice how it changed it from fraction to a decimal. Okay, basically you only have to go to this button and change approximate or exact, so you can get a fraction or a decimal as an answer. Okay, you could also multiply, like for example 5 5/3, and I'm talking about fractions, times 2/7. What is the answer? It can give you a decimal, but if you wanted this answer as a fraction, all you have to do is go here and change to exact, and then go to equals, and you're gonna get the answer as a fraction. So this calculator is very good, so please download it and keep it handy on your computer, on your desktop. Okay, thank you.